Hey guys, we're in the rainforest right now. We're eating in the Rainforest Cafe with Mayua and Whitney, my besties. Ow! Look at the rainforest. Look at this. That's what Drew was talking about.
Oh my god. That looks $14.
Oh man. Ow! What up guys? We just chilling in a hotel room with my besties. Whitney, Emma Lele, and my Mayua. In a cool hotel room. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little tour right here. Okay. So, there's that. Hi! Here's the closet. The sweet little bathroom. Holy moly. There's the toilet. The shower. Okay, there's the sink again. Coffee machine. Garbage can. Fridge. Look at this. It pulls right on out. Pushes right back in. Microwave. There's a safe on up in there. We've got flat screen. Food from Rainforest Cafe. Got the bed. Bed with Emily. We've got my stuff that I bought at the Mall of America. We got this. We got a little desk, a lamp, this cool little photo over here. Mayua laying down on the fold-out couch. Oh, and we've also got this cute artwork. Yes? Oh, oh. Look at the view. Isn't that awesome? Okay, guys. This is vlog number 3. Alright, peace and blessings, baby.